Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Steam not starting games not launching. Chapter 1. How to fix Steam not starting games not launching updating drivers. To start, right-click on the Start menu and click on Device Manager. After that, in Display Adapters, right-click on the driver, select Update Driver. Now click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for this task to finish. Chapter 2. How to fix Steam not starting games not launching validating the integrity of the game. To get started, open the Steam app. Then right-click on the game and select Properties. Here you can go to the Installed Files section. In this section, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for this process to complete to check the integrity. Chapter 3. How to fix Steam not starting games not launching moving the game to another drive. To start, open Steam. There, right-click on the game and choose Properties. After this, go to the Installed Files section. Once here, click on Move Install Folder. You can select the drive where the game will move and then click Move. Expect the game to move to that unit. Chapter 4. How to fix Steam not starting games not launching using compatibility. To get started, open Steam. In the app, right-click on the game and in the Manage section, click on Browse Local Files. After that, right-click on the game shortcut and select Properties. After this, in the Compatibility tab, activate the boxes, run this program in compatibility mode 4, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Click OK. After this, click on Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. Answer the assistant's questions and wait for them to finish. Chapter 5. How to fix Steam not starting games not launching clearing the cache. The first thing you will do is close the Steam application. After this, right-click on Start and select Run. Once there, enter the command steam://flushconfig/ click on OK. After this, open Steam. Chapter 6. How to fix Steam not starting games not launching reinstalling the game. To start, open Steam. Then right-click on the game and in Manage click on Uninstall. Here, click on Uninstall and wait for the game you have selected to be uninstalled. When it has been uninstalled, click Install and wait for the game to be installed again on Steam. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.